Driving is a big responsibility. We need to keep ourselves and others safe on the road. Good brakes are one of the most important parts of a safe car. Brakes that work well help you stop quickly. This can prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. Taking care of your car's brakes is important. It's not just about safety, it can also save you money. New brakes can be expensive. By making your brakes last longer, you can avoid costly repairs. Remember, driving is a privilege, and safety should always come first. By taking care of our brakes, we are taking care of ourselves and others on the road. It's more than just time. Brakes don't last forever. They wear down over time. This is because they use friction to stop your car. The brake pads and rotors rub together. This creates heat and slows the car down. Many things can cause brakes to wear out quickly. Frequent braking is a big one. If you drive in a city, you probably brake more often. This puts more wear and tear on your brakes. Driving habits can also affect brake life. Slamming on the brakes creates a lot of friction. This wears down the pads and rotors faster. Heavy loads in your car also put more stress on your brakes. Want to make your brakes last longer? One of the easiest ways is to brake smoothly. Instead of slamming on the brakes, try to brake gently. Anticipate when you'll need to stop. Look ahead for red lights or stop signs. Take your foot off the gas pedal early. Slowly apply the brakes, gradually increasing pressure. This gives your car time to slow down without putting too much stress on the brakes. Smooth braking not only saves your brakes but also makes for a more comfortable ride for you and your passengers. It's a win-win. Carrying heavy loads puts a lot of stress on your car. This is especially true for your brakes. The heavier your car is, the harder your brakes have to work to stop it. Think about what you're carrying in your car. Do you really need all of it? Removing unnecessary items can make a difference. If you're carrying something very heavy, consider other options. Maybe you can rent a truck for a day. Every little bit helps when it comes to extending the life of your brakes. Section 5. Coasting along your secret weapon for brake longevity. Coasting is a great way to save your brakes and fuel. When you see a red light or stop sign ahead, take your foot off the gas pedal. Let your car coast naturally. This allows your car to slow down gradually without using the brakes. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in the life of your brakes. Remember, coasting is not about speeding up to then brake hard. It's about anticipating stops and allowing your car to slow down naturally. It's about driving smarter, not harder. Section 6. Engine braking. Using your engine to save your brakes. Engine braking is another useful technique. It involves downshifting to slow your car down. When you downshift, the engine helps slow the car. This reduces the need to use your brakes as much. This technique is especially helpful when driving downhill. It prevents your brakes from overheating. Engine braking takes some practice to master, but it can be very effective in extending the life of your brakes, especially on long downhill stretches. Section 7. Regular checkups. A small price for big brake savings. Just like any other part of your car, your brakes need regular checkups. This helps prevent small problems from becoming big, expensive ones. During a brake inspection, a mechanic will check the thickness of your brake pads. They'll also look at the rotors for wear and tear. They'll check the brake fluid level and look for any leaks. These checkups are usually quick and affordable. They can save you a lot of money in the long run. It's much cheaper to replace worn brake pads than to deal with damaged rotors or other brake problems. Section 8. The benefits of long-lasting brakes, peace of mind, and a heavier wallet. Taking care of your brakes has many benefits. Of course, safety is the most important one. Good brakes give you the confidence to react quickly in any situation. This peace of mind is invaluable. Long-lasting brakes also mean fewer repairs and lower costs. You'll save money on brake pads, rotors, and labor costs. By adopting good driving habits and taking your car for regular maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits of safe and reliable braking for miles to come. Section 9. Brake maintenance and investment worth making. Brake maintenance might seem like an extra expense, but it's actually an investment. Just like you invest in car insurance to protect yourself financially in case of an accident, investing in brake maintenance protects your wallet from potentially hefty repair bills in the future. Think of it this way: a small amount spent on regular checkups can prevent a much larger expense down the road. That's smart budgeting. Ultimately, by taking care of your brakes, you're taking care of your safety, your wallet, and the longevity of your vehicle. And that's an investment worth making.